Okay, so what I've done is I've switched to a polyester film capacitor. I do have a small germanium diode here, and the diode comes along this way. It connects to the coils. They're all connected in series around to this side over here. I'm starting to share a lot of the details for this on the forum. I'm going to go ahead and start to release the STL files and the build list on the forum, but I wouldn't call this the complete and final. You know, this project started as a motor for the crystal cell that'd be easy to build. And I'm getting there, folks. When I put it up on my website, it will be that version. But there's a lot of people that want to experiment along the way. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll try this evening to release the files up on the forum so that you can go ahead and begin to print these out and to experiment with them. So I'll give the links to where I got the wire. This is really nice solderable magnet wire. You can just solder it right on there. Anyway, I'll give the links to where I'm getting all this stuff, the sapphire bearing cups, etc. But for now, I just wanted to show it running on a polyester film capacitor. This capacitor has very few microfarads. You know, I don't really know. You could look up the specs. But I'm running it on that because I don't want to have any issue with the stuff that you get with the electrolytic caps, as far as they'll bounce back after discharge, etc. And I just want to eliminate all that as I do power measurements and comparisons, etc. So you can see that's running on this capacitor, germanium diode. That's really all there is with the reed switch. So that's the circuit. I'm going to go ahead and spin this up to speed once more, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some drag to it just so you can see. The nice thing about using a cap like this is when you blow on it, the voltage comes up really, really fast because you don't have a lot of microfarads to deal with. So anyway. Alright. So that is really moving along. Now what I want to do is just add some drag to this. Slow this thing down. I'm going to go ahead and slow it down to almost a stop, and then we'll let it restart itself. And this is really interesting because normally I could never even get a motor to run on a polyester film capacitor. So this is very intriguing to me. What I really need to do is just experiment. I've been experimenting with some AC capacitors. I've had some really interesting results with those. Again, polyester film AC capacitor here. But yeah, again, this is pretty exciting to me. So this motor may have a lot more potential than just a 3D printed motor to go along with the crystal cell. I know coupled with the crystal cell, this thing's going to run for years. But I'm having a lot of fun experimenting with it in configurations like this as well. So anyway, that's it. Very simple. There's been some questions. They are needles, and I'll give links to the needles. There's a needle that I found that just works really good. They're perfect size for these cups. There are 2 sapphire bearing cups. So those are sapphire bearing cups. And anyway, that's it, folks. So it'll run along for quite a while, even on this polyester film capacitor. So anyway, just wanted to post that update. I'm going to run to work, and when I get back this evening, I'll begin to post the STL files up on the forum. So anyway, that's where we're at with this. Let's all keep experimenting.